Good morning. It's raining. I don't know if you can see the water droplets. I gotta get ready quickly because I have a lab to go to. I'm being tested to see if I'm a soy boy, if I have low testosterone or not. Well, I'm here for a lab, and I don't think that they've opened yet, but they should in 5 minutes or so. It's an early morning. I had to wake up really early. Once again, got barely any sleep. Look at my eyeballs. When will I have another normal day? Probably not for a while. Probably not for a while. Well, they took my blood. They drew my blood. It's a blood lab. I can take it off in 15 minutes or so. I'll explain why I went there for a lab in just a little bit, but for now we gotta keep the ball rolling. It is 8:19 a.m. in the Tesla, the beautiful Tesla. Look at the purple Tesla. Look at that, so beautiful. Today's gonna be yet another work day. A lot of preparing. I have to prepare for a lot of things. The most important is going to Tijuana, Mexico tomorrow. So that will be very interesting. That will be very interesting. See, I have a lot of work days that are boring, but I also have a lot of incredibly exciting days. It's like, those are always sprinkled in there. I've never vlogged in Mexico before. I should have done it when I went to Guadalajara last year. Last year, I guess. That would have been crazy, dude. I gotta go have some delicious food, and now I gotta drive all the way back to actually begin the day for real, as if I would have earlier at Planet Fitness. So, let's do it. These are cupcakes that my boyfriend got for me. Look at them. Look how photogenic these cupcakes are. Look at this. They're red velvet cupcakes. They're so good. Well, we made it to Planet Fitness. Let's go get ready for the day. But first, I can remove my blood work patch on my body. It's so wonderful. Look at. I came back out here to take some medicine, but I want to ask you all about a situation that happened earlier. So when I got here, I had my trunk open and these two doors open. They were kind of like hanging into this spot next to me, right? I was packing up my bag, my backpack, for Planet Fitness, as I do every day, with no issue whatsoever. And all of these spots over here were open next to me, and all those spots over there, and all these spots over here, and these spots here. It's pretty much exactly how it was when this happened. And while I was on this side packing up, this car came over here, like this, right here, and tried to pull into the spot and just started waiting there, and waited there for like 5 minutes while I was getting my stuff ready. And then he started honking at me, and then he rolled down the window and he was like, "Can you close your doors?" And I said, "Dude, I'm unloading. I'm here getting ready for the gym. There's all of these other spots that you are welcome to park in." He was like, "That's incredibly rude. Even parents will close the door if I'm trying to park there." So what do you think? Am I wrong? I don't know. I feel like if all of these other spots were occupied and this was the only one available, it would have been rude for me to not close the door. But I think because all of these other spots were open and he wanted to specifically park right there, like he could have parked right here, I think that was rude of him. And not only that, it was rude of him to come up and harass me like that. But what do you think? Am I crazy? I feel like that was rude of him. Well, Planet Fitness is done, and while I was in there, I was charging my MacBook Neo with this battery right here. But what's really cool about the Tesla is you can turn on the accessory ports to stay charging while you're not at the car, which is really cool. But I don't want to do that because I know that I'll forget to turn it off, and then all the battery will be gone if I end up having to park for a trip or something. I know I'm going to forget to do that. So I use the battery when I can, but it's cool that you can do that. Now we got to go to Planet Fitness to get my beverage, my beautiful Diet Pepsi beverage. I need a little drinky while I work. Alright, I finished what I need to do at Panera. I'm not feeling good today. Not like sick or anything. Just physically and mentally not feeling very well. Not mentally in like necessarily a bad way, but just like I feel like my brain's not working today. And usually when that happens to me, it's because of a few reasons. Usually I'm tired, I'm hungry, or I need to poop. Those are the three usually. And I know for a fact that I'm tired because I did not get much sleep last night or the past several nights. So that is something that will be solved after sleeping tonight not gonna take a nap, but also I should eat something. Let's go to Jack in the Box and eat something. This will revive me crazy style. I'm pretty sure about that. Well, we're here at the slow charger again. Gotta get my adapter. Got my adapter. Good. Okay. Oh yes, we want to open up the charge port, which will make that open. Good. Okay. Now we open up Electrify America and start charging. Starting to charge, calculating. 3 hours, 30 minutes remaining. Good. Perfect. Gonna move my seat all the way back. Whee! Oh my god. Got my sauces. This is the best sauce at Jack in the Box by far. So good for the fries, the curly fries. Well, eating that burger definitely made me feel a little bit better, which is good. The best burger at Jack in the Box by far. So yeah, earlier today I had a lab done. They are testing me to see if I have low testosterone. And the reason being because my dad is bald. So I've been taking a medicine called finasteride to prevent hair loss. And finasteride is a medication that boosts testosterone, and it also boosts estrogen a little bit as well. And most people, when they take this medicine, they have negative side effects crazy. But when I take it, it makes me actually feel better. I think more clearly. I have like this mental clarity that I don't normally have. And everything just feels like more normal, how it's supposed to feel. So for a different reason, my doctor and I decided I should stop taking that for a little bit. And I went back to feeling how I did before taking it, which is less good. So my doctor and I think that maybe the reason this medication might make me feel better when normally it makes people feel worse, it would make sense if I have low testosterone, because this medication boosts your testosterone. So I'm being tested for it. We'll see what happens. I love the curly fries. Man, I am so out of it today. But definitely, I think that most people, it seems, are like scared to go to the doctor, or, you know, for any number of reasons. I know the cost can be high, but if you have anything that's unusual, it's always good to talk to a doctor. It could save your life, or at least make you feel a whole lot better, right? Time to get some work done while I have some time before picking up Alexis from work. Hopefully I can get another vlog edited. I have to somehow make 2 of them today so that I will not have nothing to post tomorrow when I go to Mexico. Somehow. I don't think it'll be a problem, but it might be. But I might have to stay up late for it. I don't know, man. Oh, getting ready for this trip for not even a full day is going to take more time than I want to spend. Hey, show me what you just got.
Well, I bought for my husband. I bought this, which is a portable incense oil dispenser, I think it's called, something like that.
That's so sweet of you, honey. We're about to go to Mexico tomorrow, and I have acid reflux, so I get heartburn all the time. I take medicine for it. It works 90% of the time, but I still have to take Tums every once in a while to get rid of heartburn that happens. And the problem that I have is that I have these huge bottles, because this is more cost effective, of antacids, off-brand antacids, right? And I usually put them in a Ziploc bag. The problem with that, if you do the same thing, you know, they get all powdery and it kind of looks like something that is illegal. It's not, obviously, but I think I found a solution. Rather than bringing the entire bottle so that it's very clear what it is, I just bought a very expensive name brand Tums for $7 or so. This is very expensive for what it is, but once these are gone, I refill it with these to continue using on all of my trips. That way, they know exactly at the border, or at TSA, wherever, it's calcium carbonate in here. Obviously, that gets a little powdery, but at least everyone will be aware because it's in an original container. And it's small and tiny.
I'm so OP right now, though. Like, I can literally heal myself a lot. That's why I'm, like, not killing. they're not killing me that fast. But damn.
See, I'm on Visible by Verizon. Definitely not a sponsor. I wish, though. I was on AT&T. I've not noticed any difference in coverage at all, which is great, and it works in Mexico too. But the best part of it is the unlimited mobile hotspot. So he's able to play online games as much as he wants to, and I can use the internet on my gaming devices as well, or my MacBook Neo, or my other laptop, or anything, without having to worry about stupid data caps that are unnecessary for the mobile hotspot. I don't even know why every carrier has them. Visible's the only one that I've been able to find that has unlimited mobile hotspot, which is crazy because it's a budget carrier. Because AT&T is better coverage. I can't get unlimited hotspot with it. It's very important for this type of situation. Living in your car. You know what I mean?